618 CTB. Installation operation. Introduction.
Received has the following accessories list. Firstly, we install the handle. Install the shock ring. Insert the cross pin to install the handle. Firstly, we install the beater with the discharger. Note long nut on top, short nut on bottom. Install diagonally. Installation completed. Pour clean water to wash. Turn on the power.
Press the clean button.
Wash for 3 to 5 minutes. Pour out the water.
Pour the mixed ingredients. Plug in the pump outer tube. Press wash button for about 1 minute. Press freeze to turn on the refrigeration. At this time, the refrigeration is turned on.
Press second time, middle round, dot eastern, on to open the air pump. Wait for about 15 minutes for the first molding. When the percentage reaches 100%, you make ice cream. Wash the machine.
Take out the pump inner tube cleaning. Press the pause button, then press the clean button. Pour out the remaining material. Press the stop key. Pour in warm water. Press the clean button to clean. Pour out the water, wash several times until it is clean.